What's up guys, it's Eugen here, and on this video today I will be doing a demo on how you can download videos that are hosted on Wistia. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and all the links and resources and instructions related to this video will be found in the description box below. So let's get started. So pretty much what happens with Wistia videos is they all have a unique ID when they're embedding it. So it's the same thing with a YouTube video. When you go into YouTube, there's a little identifier full of letters and numbers on the back of the URL that tells YouTube where the video is, and obviously that gives it a unique destination. So Wistia works in a similar way. So when someone uploads a video onto Wistia, the system generates a URL. So that's what we want to find out. We want to find out what that unique ID is. We're starting here, so I'll show a few examples of when Wistia videos are embedded and how the code changes and how you can find that unique code. So we'll start with the first one. So the first one we're doing just on the Wistia homepage. So obviously they use their own technology, which is great. So here's a video here at the front, at the top of the homepage. So what we can do is, this is one example, you can click on it. Some Wistia videos, you can see that there's a option to copy the link and thumbnail. So great, we'll copy that. And then what you can do is just open a notepad up and just paste that link in. And inside that, you'll see there's like a unique identifier here. So you can see ahref, wistia.com, wvideo. So that's the unique link. So that's what we want to kind of save here. There's a couple other different examples that we'll run into. So one is you might not be able to find that through the same method, so you can't get that copy thumbnail option. So what you have to do is you can go into any page. So I'm using Chrome, so you can go into the view page source option, and what will happen is we'll have a page that opens up that looks like this. There's a bunch of code, so if you do into coding, you probably understand what's going on. I'm not a coder, so I don't know what's going on, but I do know what to look for in order to get that video. So using this other example, we couldn't get the copy URL option. So what you can do is there's a couple things you can search for. So you can look for Wistia _async. So then that brings it up, and then, so that's that video's unique identifier. So you got to keep that, so that work. We need that for the next stage. Another example is you can look for the Wistia -ID. So same thing. So then now you get that unique identifier, because sometimes different pages don't have the same identifier. So in this case, this video is hosted on Teachable. So if there's some on that kind of platform where they're using Wistia but it's on another platform, then the code does get changed a bit, but it's still using Wistia. So in this case, the async doesn't work, so then you got to use that Wistia -ID. Cool. So great, so you got your ID. So what you want to do now is you need to put it into this unique URL. So I've saved it already here. And so the format of that URL is fast.wistia.net/embed/iframe, and then you copy that code that you had before and you paste it to the back of it. Cool, and now you've just got a tab / window dedicated to that video. And now the problem is we need to view the source again to get the video, but there's no option to view source. So what you got to do is you got to go edit the link itself, go in front of the HTTPS, put in view -source : that'll open up the code again. And then now what you want to do is you want to go and look for .bin. So I guess .bin is the way that Wistia hosts video. That's the format they use, but anyway, what you want to do is you want to copy that link, the .bin, paste it back into the address bar, and now, again, you got the video, but now you have the option to save. So you just go click save. So I've already downloaded a version already to save the time for this video, otherwise we're going to have to sit here for a few minutes for it to download. But you can see we'll just download it. It takes for 3 minutes to download, and I've got a copy already here that I've downloaded. So, you know, you might be thinking, okay, what am I going to do with a bin file? So that's fine. What you're going to do is you open up and edit that file, change the bin to MP4, and that will give you your video. So obviously a great option. I know a lot of content creators and website, you know, if they're running a course or something like that online, then they like to host their videos on Wistia. But for me, I use this method a lot because especially if I'm flying or if I've got somewhere where I don't have internet, then I want to be able to review the content while I'm not connected. So this is a way to just download it all, have it on my you know, my Google Drive on a hard drive or something like that, and then go review that later. That's how to download a video that's hosted on Wistia. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, if there's anything I can help with. Thank you for watching my video today. Make sure to like this video if you found this helpful, and hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos